An introduction to ecological restoration. Brief history of ecological restoration. Importance of biodiversity in ecosystem. Key principles of ecological restoration. Common challenges faced in restoration projects. Case study: successful restoration of a wetland. Role of community involvement in restoration efforts. The impact of invasive species. The significance of native plant species. Techniques used in ecological restoration. The role of ecological monitoring. The relationship between climate change and restoration. Case study: forest restoration success. Financial aspects of restoration projects. 1. Global initiatives in ecological restoration. Future challenges in ecological restoration. Importance of education in restoration. Community gardens as a model for restoration. The success stories of restored ecosystems. Conclusion and call to action for viewers.